Hey guys, Chris and Harley here. 6 weeks, 6 videos, all concerning Leatt safety products. Top of helmet to tip of boot. Leatt covers the entire body, including the hands. Today we're going to discuss helmets. I've got Harley here to do some more in-depth dives on the helmets.
Right over here, we've got the 7.5 Adventure helmet, 8.5 Adventure helmet, and 9.5 Adventure helmet. All very similar in looks. All of them include a big vent mount on the chin, 2 exhaust vents on the side, 2 intake vents on the top, and 4 exit vents on the rear. Leatt sizes come in 3 different options, or shell sizes, shall I say. You get extra small to small, you get medium to large, and you get extra large to 2XL. So your 7.5 is a polymer construction with a 2-layer EPS liner. These are DOT and ECE 2206 certified, also featuring Leatt's 360 turbine safety system. Moving on to the 8.5s, these are a polycarbonate construct with a 4-layer EPS system, also DOT ECE 2206 certified with Leatt's 360 turbine safety system. And finally, moving on to the 9.5, this is a 12K carbon construct, a DOT ECE 2206 certified, also with a 360 turbine safety system.
Now I see all 3 helmets are supplied with goggles, but I do understand that certain goggles are different to others. Could you run us through that?
That is correct, yes. So the 7.5 helmet comes with a 2.5 goggle itself. The 8.5 helmet comes with a 4.5 with a clear lens goggle, where the 9.5 comes with a 4.5 iris lens goggle.
And the iris lens means?
Basically just a slightly tinted version of a clear lens.
Okay, fantastic. Correct, yes. So all 3 come with goggles. Excellent. I can see the visors are pin lock ready. Any differences in the 3 visors across the range?
Definitely quite a big difference between the 3. So 7.5 comes with a clear lens standard, where if you're coming over to your 8.5 and 9.5, both of them include a photochromic as well as a clear visor, which comes with a Pinlock 120 vision pinlock included.
So photochromatic into bright light, out of bright light, riding through a forest, into a blue sky. It's adjusting the light balance accordingly.
It will adjust it by itself, correct?
Fantastic. Yes. Harley, we've been involved in the swap out program for the older Leatt neck braces, where the customer can trade up to a new brace at a very advantaged price. I have heard that there's a crash replacement policy on Leatt helmets. Could you tell me about that?
Yes, definitely. So every single Adventure helmets come with a 3-year crash replacement program. What that entitles to, if you were involved in a serious accident, damaged your helmet, you will get a 40% discount on returning your old one for a new one after a crash.
Okay, so you submit the old helmet and you do the swap.
Indeed, yes.
Swap out. Yeah. Is it limited to any particular helmet?
It's not limited to anything, only the Adventure range itself, and it is within 3 years of your purchase.
If somebody was on the 7.5 or 8.5 and wanted to trade up to a carbon after a crash, they could. There's no limitations.
No limitations at all.
Okay, good to know. Thank you, Harley.
No problem.
As mentioned, 6 videos in 6 weeks going through Leatt safety products from the top of the head to the tip of the boot. So we'll be moving down week by week and you'll get detailed information on all the Leatt products.
That is correct, yes. Stay tuned.
Fantastic. Stay tuned. Cheers.